Bizama kwa family Otumfuo TV Plus. Ebuzia ya mamunya ntiye Otumfuo TV Plus so say ene fiade ye mama Akosua Serwaa and afenso odo Bronii presela and afi ebuzia panini kofi wusu kwa kopiemu ewo ye Otumfuo asante hene akache ye Kumasi menhia na ebuzia ene ansama eba ne semra omokoko piemu ewo menhia no yase sebio Otumfuo wanhwe manim kura wapamu mu se omfa asem no ensan kokot no omko asem no ewo court na no na ebusia mebusa se yesebi ebu eno manfa ma Otumfuo simply because muni so Otumfuo honom eno manfa asem na amre no na mopedia mo ho sa na mo de kokopi mo court na esimu sei sa afede mo so Otumfuo ho na mo sade asem no eba no ho ano na mebusa se enye bufu ene nana ede yesa ana se sebi bibi awo abusia yankwa ne nkokwa jinsem no munchiremu emfiri aye timiliga wife of us mresisie
kwa ahimfo na enya amem ahimfie ne etwam he ya dismiss asem no asem e bola bush e bola asem yejrem 28 ewa judge ni bebu asem no yejrem abushafo yejrem 28 yejrem asem ne de ye de ya ye kan wo ho ye da na dismiss asem no penifo na dismiss asem no ye pabushafa yi kura ye se pe no ebra me friend baba akoka che na mo papa we ye hwe mo papa ntimo hui me obi ye hwe mo papa ntimo hui ay asante munya abotre na bibia be okay eye abusua asem wo mo nyina agi atum se na abusua asem mo nsem wo hodado ene mo agi ato na mo de mani bire ekoso maami Akosua Serwaa hoso ene mo de mani bire ekoso maami Akosua Serwaa so me de mase bebre enti asem nya ne se nura ya dismiss case na nura no ene ya nyanko enti no asem we say court no the same thing for dismiss ne aba asem we court okra yen kan 20 minutes kra wo bo so mo paper no mo betro no judge ni gina ho no mo say ya no atetim be judge ni betete wo mo nsin mo say what team obi anu ato agu say hwewo no ato agu ye twen anu no pia wo onkasa sem na anu no sem na wie ye no
okay yes na make him omo say ge on ya ware omo ye pia again dey not to issue because a big gun you say the person you ware in the crana a big gun if you go on omo customer no at this point I think say omo pe na asem omo because omo person mo pia girl no ba time okojo enti di omo dey ba na amakoye photoshoot na mo dey ba be cancer no enye bibia na ba your cancer bibi wo ma your cancer because over the cancer let me the girl na ko to asem mu bet me na prison. So if you don't know about ordinance, I think say a lot of Ghanaians you knew about ordinance. There was a problem man be church because ordinance marriage who do who ko join here it's me to asem e bet me the work jail because mona mo pia girl and me say mo person mo ya na mo dey ko to asem at this point what we are asking is what kills the number and we should penny to pack and then can say no sure many wa ka me jam ma me no nyame nsa e wo ne so da bia de be ko bia no yakopon ayi na fimu hwe no nim buase e kan wo up to date enye fa na wo me say du am egi no ho practice na nso obe na aye wo ni e be de ko no nya nku fra dia so e se wuja ni ni enti at this point they can say obushapani wo ye bi e twa so because one say ye sa se we ni se free next week adua o metu na dia so because nya se bi so boba na o metu na dia so because some na possible
when you say abusiafo esoya meba when you say meba esoya dede wo when you say ma me bi na nra me de ne be hye mo na friend of ayi amatawia na abusiafo mo be je ni say abusiapanyin na ene na kasa wa hye ne bo say ba Akosua hene no wo mo betu na de so e de amatawia na ba be si hima mo tia se me bi da ba Akosua hene no Serwaa no na promise ya enti na matawia sa na no aye ma wa asemim ebushapani Abakoso Pakoso okay ebushafo kodo believe say maami ya na no aye ma me de beto mo platform isu anu ayi say ebushapani promise ne so de ne kwa kosi Pakoso hema maami say enti na no aye ma wa asemi say wo no tafement onya aye no enti ebushafo de da ho no de me so onyankopon woni bia damfo no na enyanka nyina wo mo papa no wo mo maame no na sabio kunafo Prafuo. Ye mami Akosua Serwaa kunani. Ne kunu ni Nyankopon. Na papa be wotwe na. Ewiase nyina bepo. Na so no nko ani twa won ko ana ka hu se edom tawati. Eno na onyame ne nsa no dwuma no wo ye bi no no. Munya hu hwe.
Wouldn't say Abusia penny man shy and assassin when you are dear so. Because Otumfuo, ye mama, I dare one pair crowd sa bribe Bronii, selling Boisiana or Bunehono. Because at this point, what do when you must totally? You don't deserve because I say a leader, you are not a leader. A leader can't me go when he wants it. MEH social media. Now we do not say I must see our proper Papa Pedina to sell. Who said an Akonakasada? At this point, I'm sure I saw 21 years so. What then here sitting there out in the one can read this?
Say get to a pepe, Nana Serwaa. Medo, Radin Sawate.
I'm going to the 1 year soon to know. I don't know being Tassaman, I'm calling to know.
Piao. I was
I queen.
Pepe, Nana. Pay. Thank you. I love
Nana Serwaa my favorite na auto tone sare to be mama wife. Na me bu so queen. Na wo si wedding na ye da bi o. Enti Ghana for pa wo pese ya o mo kire yese.
Minim o ebi o minim ebi
enti ade wo ya o mo ye no o mo nim se ensunsanso bi ebaba o mo so. Na wo ahwege ye nim. Nation the picture na makwa so for benso no so gina ho omode ne be hye mu se AI no
menim bebe omukwanya no no che ekobisa be
na EV kra no se lumba onya entitle so be wale enti we no mo ye no o mo ye ne sei
menim de wo mo pese o mo kire menim de o mo
I feel like o si sei
I feel no say na make no yana na dismissing penifo na dismissing case no see ekwan kokko ne yankwaka o ma dismissing no
nyame ye no kwalefo
ana me ye no kwalefo se penini ko no na asem wo ahemfie ko a wo munyankan
o sa de ma ha wate the great and drop me be pa shop and sa de ma ha e pa shop
kafra e bia
wo ana mama drop na ba
from na kasa wie the great man kasa e bia wo
mama kasa and drop me Serwaa me kasa de
because one say obi one oba be kire na ajo obi one so obeda nyame ase de ayi the royal the muntimi nsi ne sa ma ne nye yi obi one na no ni
busia panyini
jaube ne de ye sister ba akope
piao
ba ade na me hwehwa na matie
me na me ka kire mo
ni ajepa
me na me ka kire na me say emra when him said and 3 days me ba life no my bi na no gina ayi my bi na not your friend Nana Kwame. I don't know near friend Nana Kwame. Yeah. What's your me? Nana Otumfuo. Ne chairman neba and then Nana Kwame no jina a soya. I see one or more. Baby I swear one and one no jina. Near my kikanya so much say Nana ye queen him for 4 name to Quavinum. Fair,
of course.
Because he dear girl.
There be on say Asante. Uno say ahemfofo no eye sadio na so mu gitumu a unu se wo mu na wo ho be kire wo mu because mu titu wonu nyina mo yirim ye maako na ade no so eye emela lumba na yire ye baako pe na se mu ahemfofo ne mpanifo mu bi mu se mu gitumu se eye no krase wa warranty e ma mienu na eye kuna ebetom onfa peace e ma Ghana
this missing no
etinya de obi abe yes nya de obi abe timi accept
sa ayi frempa mo ma tete case ni mu o ma tete
na me pa cho abusua panyin no oyire
abusua panyin
wa yire pa so oyire
wanu obi ware e no ni subanti no e ma asem ntie gya no e no sa kwa ware se grade bi okwafa no gya no afka so fe bi afka na ni suba abo ni ntie e no sa kwa fo bi ono nkwa wa wale 3 ejai
oh no wonder
ni suba nye enye wanwa suba nye onye
Asante mo bi me dofo me na mo ase
e da se bebre wai wadin shawo me ba jo ma me kasa na we move
abusua panyin we what fi a won tu nkwala afu akura ko di boni no be fi obaba aboto adi abusua panyin wotimi so ma ye budget pa
and no man safety from
Why drop me wa high and run? One canny papa me nothing. Why not give me Sajumano?
Mr. Vatano,
I for your touch yakawati.
Anyway, to Yakamati, wine patcho, why? Madama. Mammy, me patcho, Casamami, Mammy, Amacasama.
I was your penny or Nishu by. I did. Ganye ye did the way children as a boy. But we shall be cheer for mammy with one way and on. That's why I'm crying.
Mamma was just a one day a woman. I was a woman, Ancasa. Hey, to make a wife,
to me, cross away. Fair Queen, I wish your penny the way I said, we shall be very and Saba so say. For any more young better, a Bushian a year nechi. Abusuafo no ofase no na gina toto niema nyina na de nsa ba beso abeso se this year we wunti bra wako enyo na akogina tento abra wo fie wankasa uchocho mucho ebo okotodwe mu fie ho ebiesi ho eno de hwi ni wunti on de okotodwe ne bonje enya nkyere
thank you Nine thank you
Matthias na wo sha panyi papa we minim de ne mabaye daachi minim de ne mabaye da ne baba no wote Canada no onhwe ye na nkrofo amfa no me anya yi
no aye no woni mame kasa na memo video we nkyere mo afia shos ne Ghana no aya ma wase mo munti asem bi e wono ankasa kura no wo mo aya no mo asankasa no asa so meba mamintie asa be ka asem different munti afia so anu mo nsem afia so na wo komo oprega na na mami agosi Serwaa na sei na mami muntie ayi afia so awe muntie abujafo muntie mami we de me so nyame na ako ama wo ni panyi ya ho den da ko soro ama wo ne de tete ho keke muntie
Odani abrewa mono odia momo
muntie
entini ma mo hwese ya kola na so ni pedua so odani abrewa mono
o se entini mo hwese akwa na so ni pedua so akwa ne wan wo prega mo hwese o prega asole ni pedua so adani abrewa
o ya akola na so be mpanyimfo na ma wo si le bedi
woto pai muntie
entini ma ne Akosua Serwaa wonye momombo Akosua Serwaa ne momombo Akosua Serwaa ne momombo so wa bone bra bibi biara o de mame wo fanuba
na ko se Akosua Serwaa wonye momombo se wa bone bra mame abone bra na japade ni bibia wo de mame wo fa me wo fa da lumba na mo se ye mame ni sei
da ben no
Aminim dakro, minim dakro mom. Minim. Me dem ho no man me busuafo no mo send me pictures and videos me bring.
Okay.
Afia na wo. Wo say enti wo prega wonya momobo. Akwaya sori ni pagas na mo hwe maame Akosua Serwaa. Ye hwe me maame Akosua Serwaa. Se wo bo ne brain na dia ma be ma. Na nne mo se jojo maame no muntie. Esu afia so we sa be gira bonte be ka ma.
Hwese ya kola na so ni pedua so odani abrewa mono odia momo entini ma ne Akosua Serwaa wonye momo Akosua Serwaa ne momo Akosua Serwaa ne momo so wa bone bra bibi biara ode mame wo fanuba na ko bi
enti afia wo di se Akosua Serwaa ene pop
Mientie.
Hwese ya kola na so ni pedua so odani abrewa mono odia momo entini ma ne Akosua Serwaa wonye momo Akosua Serwaa ne momo Akosua Serwaa ne momo so wa bone bra bibi biara ode mame wo fanuba na ko bi enti Akosua Serwaa wonye momo
woni mo se abusuafo asema afia we ka we afia so e kan Enyen no kweto do na me se asem we wi a ene nsem a wo ho no mo bete wo masom ye da numba ye ma me no kwampo eku ni preko ye so obi etiase a ana obi wu a ye nka na asem tie nipa na tiase ne ye nya kosie ni wie dia ena afe dia ne ye wie ni afe ne be jeje nsem mo
bibi biara o de mame wo fanuba na ko bi enti Akosua Serwaa wonye momo hey day. It's awesome. She said, I saw you need to so that I be one mono. On your momo.
Na momo say, oh, Sankafia, old Nefia become your dinner tea. Yes, a dinner tea, by your home. A dinner tea by your woman, Fiasa 10 a year. Your influence no me Fiasa 10 a year. I saw what I would do, Bronii, I your pregati, and your dear someone. What would you must say? Some amina Japadiana, the Bibia, and then Mamma Kogana. If you didn't Tibet to Mukra or pregati if you're in the bush of what, hey, Mammy, bro, hey, Mammy, Akosua, Serwaa, and Mamma in a hole. Some amina Kogana, when your baby know, when your baby now. When your baby no, me ma go so agba but me ka say ma me baby obekọ Ghana no obeda kwa ka me metime provide me yi awrade Nyankopon kwa benya metime me ma me akoda ho se da rumba so awie ma me kwa bo me say me ma me baby ada for free baby opa one tell what the whole yi na so no wo abusuafo ni bi so ho wo mo are ready to serve the woman wo mo are ready so be serve woman no ma me ajapade ne brain na ne da rumba the brain now, Emma, you can set him a song. You can set him a song. Papa, so we say, someone find yesterday when my brother Moa. Now, we want to say, if you are going to appear to us, nigger Cassani, and I will come be say, sir, 7 new Nimun to Pemihun. Once or Casa, some baby. Mammy. Bebacho, Mammy Casawati, Mamma. Casa. Abusuapanyi kwesi ni ba abusuapanyi yere me pa cho ma ye den misremo why dey say wo kunu de why ntu nwin ntu kunu fo wo sini ba e wo sini ba ntu kunu fo me kunu ko Canada ko ne ba dan na ho Canada misremo lege o kunu o passport ko she gini no na say mo won kunu ko she gini brak Bisremo, but the Munyano na Nikunu Numbati says so a question who are called for number for Yes, I am Rollins, Mammy at the Maconedu, and the one way I got a man on the manager of Canada. I will be a me too. I'm them Casa, some Pamania Brea, Conto, Mammy Amakasa. I'm a metiati, we say. Mamma Amakasa. If a moon, Mammy Amakasawate. Mammy Ama Papa B. Me Bacho Bin Casay. Me Bacho Bin Casa. My sister said, Obekono. Ya mwande na koto hospital ana omode na sie fisemna ye de ayinu pompon so kwase ne se Otumfuo so opimso so ohia ne ye bechi no wa toilet amane yemu ohuna mani o wa yira na ka se ye wo ka se wa ma yon kwentwa kwa wo so ntwa nkoduro otena kwa wonka she Mama, you want evidence Bennett, Mammy Akosua so moko meeting 1 week no. Meba. Moko 1 week no Mammy Akosua se wa say. Me kru me na tie me kru ka chem so opema bebre. Na sa baba wa no obefa na se me kru. Ayo baby making machine wa ende when you should baby making machine ya nam dey shame. Wa wa. Ade be na kire se ya wa de wo. A wo be prikuna. Afi abusuapanyi no ya no prega data form na kwani su no da form su. Papa me hwe meki o. Wa me hwe na chi o. O mimi tuma mo mi tuma ho na mama me bread do. Mo o me hwe mi o. Wo me hwe mi o. Ene Mammy Akosua se abusuapanyi ni say. Mo se abode ababa wa yi. Ade na chese wade no up to today se na no mo de awade na chese opega ya wade na bre mame na mame ni nim ho hwe Kopem say abusuapan ni begina online social media beka say wo be mo mienu nyina yekuna na wono ne the number ebe mama me Akosua Serwaa ama na frɛ obi a yekwobare oprega number wono se number for the proof evidence wunya ye a wo gidi ye no fa kye ye ya wano ma me ne pepe wantumi afa nche ne number e na aso de be mama me no e na asem na obepem ne asem we abusuafo na bepem ne o abepem nse ne no de wedding hwan na akwa ne yesi awade ne ode badia e bia kwa to no me ai ne na bia mo so mo de badia hey mama kasa merci kasa
Bufa na hima asema make no me say ebusua no munye nwushi o so ma shaase na na omunim se nipa ba be yedin saa na de eba beto mo kwa beche ndo mo na mu sisia no Ghana ha mu fa sua ma busuafo na mo tete ebusua ma sebi atomo ni jimi no mu fa sua nyansa e ka busua bi e sorry to say anase ko fo di nkwase asem na ko fo sorry to say ya e ka busuafo mo Ghana no ko mo bedwen obo no mo tibi wuja ne ma na busuafo aginyema mo di ja ne ma nyina ata o mani ase in the name of me yabusuapanyi me say omunye nwuhye sister omunye nwuhye omunyina fa nya sua de wo Ghana ha omufa nya sua de dadulu ba ko ni say owu
aka 4 days o aka 4 days more than munyina mo nkwaji twinko gina ho
what you say bibi na dadulu ma hu say nko ba be wu a enke bia nka say no ko entimi mba ne say what you say entimi mo say nkofo mu jimi na mo sha say me say ahima omo sha say na nso so mo ni bebi omo de afa no kola no first who ka say tia mami ekeka de ya kire mami adai aware ba ko pa oba ya na mo di mami ni saa mami ni ko ni ntimi nka fie wo ya de ade a obo ne bra na say na ntimi nka ni fie adai ele mu nyina mu fanya esua de ma mu taletale nkofo kunu no mu fanya esua de fa mo ka fa brabo
amema ne soso no sakada anka ayi say ya mami Akosua brempoma wababa to Germany wasaba kwa Ghana emse minim emse Saturday and Sunday emse obetu Saturday no akodu Sunday wase ko jema ma na kuma papa bi na kuma papa ne be hyemo ankasa e be hyemo hyemunsu wase be jema ma na kuma
omufanye esua de omufanye esua
asante me pacho unsi mi kakra na me ya no wasafa
hu gaga
watch na me birthday nti fa me gifted fa mane me fa wadama
ada ye nua ne sen kwa na me mama me ne ne ya from day one ani kruto ya apfel na mama nya ni je wona brabom mo sala na social media kan kwase asem mo bisa mo say kwa ye mo mama mo a anase mo ngwa me nua bi anka den anka obeye mama ya ko brata ni kunachi na nde obedi de kakra no mama na nya ni je bia wona brabom na ni krudo free ne nsa up to now so nsa still na oni ni je mo to na ko kan kwase madam de omo ye nyina omo hyase nso omo de bekwa wieye omo hyase no omo de bekwa wieye yesa ha ye hwe omo mane ye omo sa aka maame no nko maame no wo do mankasa ye nyina edi na chi ye ta na chi etima omo tare tare nkofo ku mo fanya ehia de mama bra mo fanya ehia de fa mama bra bo
obi ku kwa wo betale ho no yatafre ho ne ye mere wati ase yatafre ho na wodi echese kani akaba wo baju obi kun na wasaso ani na begina kwa na wo wukso wasaso apresi oni nipa ko bechemu ba ko who born dog waprega wo de wo kobra bie mu wo kobe bie ma na be hu obi e be friend da na de lulu na soso me pa cho dio kasama me mame dio kasama me a dio africano mame kasa
Pato mi chiamu ina.
Ya Josu wa baby asem na kwa kodui mama e yoda na asenyo ya dismissing
Enye easy crowd but at the I think say was see a vampire mama me. Because by the rate of which attacks no air ban the way your mother just free to make sure so the Bronii ebenya be free this situation we need to also pray for the lady Serwaa because obviously, no one and even answer Bronii. So whilst we are also campaigning, say the call rights on her behalf. In our prayer, saying, not every day, she should always be at the right time. She should always be at the right place at the right time because this is the time attacks never ban so any easy.
Now, let's attack the Meme, hey, na muni ma but I say de wate me madro na susi bi wo biase
Madam Fubia Yaka. Like she's my childhood friend, and now me nam TikTok so na me who say she's on other Bronii mu fans page no okasa like basa okasa anyhow, and I make her say, but you are a married woman, why are you vouching for mistresses? And from her response, then I realized here said there is something she's not telling me about her marriage. Into me, I make my own investigation, and I realized here say. Apparently, no, or no crown and a warrior, warrior, and her husband is actually married to a US lady or legitimately or more America has he. So this is why she herself she was vouching for Bronii because she feels like she's in the same shoes as Bronii. Do you get it? This is very personal issue for me because as I'm a young lady like this, I'm also learning how to not respecting you in terms of believe in say okay I was say yeah standard be and they respect your values because sometimes as young ladies no we will get approached by married men so and say no we have to also know say yes and like we shouldn't build our home on another woman's back, like on another woman's pain, because it's not easy. So I will urge to say every young lady out there, no matter what the man has, please make sure say we be respectful. Don't go and have babies for someone's husband. Now wondering say oh this temporary emotion that the Lumba obviously was caught up in his temporary emotions with Bronii. It's not that deep. Do you get it? And also, mothers no more about yeah, or more advice on Mumbanum say. And it's not all about money in the properties. You're a young lady. At this time, I was now 17 years. You could have gone to school. You could have done so many things, sir. Do you get it? And by now, no, masters be. You are on your own. You are your boss. You are doing something better for your life. Yeah, drag go up and down on social media. It's not nice. It's not nice. So please, all the young ladies out there, and including the gentlemen too, please. Faithful to your wives. Have real conversations. Making sure say most of the time if there is any issue, sit it down and making sure say, okay, we'll get down to the bottom of the issue. And yes, I'll for a bad way because when you say now, you just overcome it's not gonna be the solution to your problems. So this is all I have to say. Make us so be and mama and it's not just the woman and Faustina Faustina Fotu and the rest of the Akosua Serwaa team. We need to pray. Faustina, we need to Ernestina. No, you know there are two sisters, so Ernestina and Faustina.
No, we are praying.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh no, could you get you promise or more promising no man farmer into I can't
that one is the answer. Because you know, in this issue, no, lady Serwaa Semwe no, we are not going to me I can't sleep over this because I am how come imagine all this money and all the energy and the investment or the year but all the mad that the number so one can say the investor money one by now she's
this may see as no and why bana will say any good news yeah this may see as no why rubbish.
Yes, that one. Somebody didn't to me, baby. In penny for more money in the cranium woman. We all know the truth. We all know say, I was say we have to do right by Mama Serwaa. We have to. It is. We are obliged to make sure that she deserves it. She really deserves her respects. We can't compete any mistress with any widow who right. Thank you so much, guys.
I was baby I will show me be our how near mania then the beer that was biano. But what they say when we be doing como yet is someone wants to be aba a friend say a yesika cocoa and a good summoner. But how beer that was to be a we have some we say be. I think we are Bema or Shamo Bema somewhere from Bema a ketua, Rabeji Bula Matali, a druid now Bema and Yakasi waiting up boy Juman so ache and pim. Yet they are quantity aba a Buziano show shibrim. I a friend is simply for quantity and I say we to my friend back to sender. Only be how only be tata. What to bet I will sanity will be cool. But what days of the fan numbers in a screen as now when me a casa, show shibrim, we are. The bomb days a match near Obey.